All right, so a couple other weathering techniques that I want to show you with some oils, and that's a single color fading as well as, say, a two color blending operation. So if you can tell on our decals here, like the insignia that's on our tail surface, or even this navy decal, maybe even this jet intake by the engine there, they're all very vibrant in their colors, as if they were just painted. But if we take a look at, say, this panel where we did the multicolored blending, this navy is actually significantly more faded back than the rest of the decals that I just showed you on this side. So what we want to do is we actually want to fade those back and weather those in, and that's where the power of that faded white color that I have right here comes in. Now, I've got my palette right here, so I'm recording 2 days after I actually took all of these paints out of their tubes. So you really have a lot of working time with your palette of oils here. The only thing that I did, if you could tell, is I just rehydrated each one of them a little bit with a dab of our odorless thinners right here. So just to kind of give us back a little bit of life with the oils. All right, so let's come in with our liner brush here. And let's go directly to our faded white here. Maybe a little too much of the thinners on there, but that's okay. All right, let's come here on our decal on our vertical tail surface. Especially around the edges here, you know, get yourself a little dot technique right there. Hopefully you can tell what I'm doing here. So dot technique all over. And then we'll come in with our dry shader brush. And we'll just kind of maneuver that, fade that up. Swipe these in the direction of airflow, of course. And we just keep working them. And hopefully you can see there that we do get that nice faded technique. We do get that nice faded technique with these oils right on the colors of the decals. And again, we just keep working it in. And don't forget to overlap between your finish paint here as well as your decal. That just creates a nice blend. A little consistency between the area with the decal and the area without. And there we go. We get a little color variation. And we have a nice faded back decal. Same thing here, let's say on our navy, especially around the edges. All right, if you do some dark colors over your decals, you'll notice that the dark colors kind of outline the carrier film of your decal. Whereas if you do, say, this faded color over decals, you don't necessarily get that. And hopefully you can see how nicely that black navy just kind of fades back. Okay, so that's something that you can do with your decals. I'm going to do that on a number of decals, including in this nose section right here. We're going to have some faded white that's going to take over this whole surface as well. So I'll get that going too. And the next thing that I want to show you is a multicolor blend.